Hello, kids! Welcome to Vocabulary by Planet Spark YouTube channel. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Let's start with our vocabulary quiz. A, B, C are happy letters. A is for A, apple, B, dog, C, fish. The correct answer is A, apple. B is for A, ball, B, cat, C, sun. The correct answer is A, ball. C is for A, cat, B, egg, C, hat. The correct answer is A, cat. What is the color of the apple? A, red, B, blue, C, black. The correct answer is A, red. Please like and subscribe the channel. What is the shape of the bow? A, round, B, square, C, flat. The correct answer is A, round. A cat says A, meow, B, moo, C, bark. The correct answer is meow. Which word starts with A? A, ant, B, ball, C, cat. The correct answer is A, ant. Which one is not an animal? A, ball, B, cat, C, cow. The correct answer is ball. Which is bigger? A, ball, B, ant, C, bee. The correct answer is ball. You are hungry. What can you eat? A, apple, B, shoe, C, toy. The correct answer is apple. You go to the park. What can you play with? A, ball, B, pillow, C, plate. The correct answer is ball. Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. You see a cat. What should you do? A, be gentle. B, throw stones. C, shout loudly. The correct answer is be gentle. Which two words start with the same sound? A. Cat and cow. B. Apple and ball. C. Ball and dog. The correct answer is cat and cow. Which letter comes after B? A, C, B, E, C, H. The correct answer is C. Which set is correct? A apple, B ball, C cat. B, A ball, B cat, C apple. C, A cat, B apple, C cat. The correct answer is A. Apple, B. Ball, C. Cat. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.